What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. And baby, is it heating up in here. Well, check it out, y'all. You see what it says. It says, how to beat your competition. That's right. I'm about to give you the secret of how to beat your competition. You ready? First off, you need to figure out who's your competition. That's right. Who is your competition? I'm about to let you know. It is not me. It's not Cutz Premium Lawn Care. No, it is not Acme Mowing Lawn Care, acmemowing.com. It is not L&L Lawn Care. Let me tell you, it is not Upscale Lawn Care. This is what we do. It's not Blades of Grass. Shout out to all y'all. Let me tell you who your competition is. It's you. You your competition. That's right. In order to beat your competition, you gotta be better than yourself. That's right. How many people out there know what I'm talking about? Raise your hand. I got one hand up. I got another testifier. 2 hands up. All right. I see your hands up. Now, what I'm saying is this. When other people are sitting around watching television, what you doing? Are you watching the game tonight? Heck, I don't even know if the game coming on tonight. I have no clue of what LeBron James scored in the last couple of games because I don't watch the game. Now, I ain't trying to hurt nobody who out there, like I said in the past, try to watch a little TV. But I'm saying if you're trying to be better, then you got to limit yourself to certain things. That's right. If you're trying to lose weight, stop eating snacks. If you want to get customers in lawn care, guess what you got to do? You got to go out there, put out flyers. You know what else you got to do? You got to get yourself a website. If you don't have a website, all I'm saying is, hey, thank you. Because I can't cut this grass all by myself. I need your help. But I say thank you because you know what? They're going to call me. And I'm going to get the best ones. The ones that I don't want, hey, maybe you can have them. That's only if you go out and put in the work. So I'm saying, to beat your competition, you got to be better than yourself. So I know I'm doing this little rant out here in the sun, in the heat. And all I'm saying is, man, I'm rooting for every guy out there in lawn care. Because you know why? You're not my competition. You know what you are? You my comrades. You my compadres. You my friends. Because at the end of the day, I can't cut all this grass by myself. And I ain't trying to kill myself out in this heat. Because it's hot in here. So, develop a strategy. And the strategy is, number 1, don't lowball yourself. I did that last year. I was cutting grass and I lowballed myself. And as I was cutting that grass, man, I was saying to myself, what have I got myself into? It ain't worth it. But then I got better than myself from last year. That's right. Started investing a little bit of money. I started saying, hey, this piece of equipment costs a lot of money. I think I need to increase my prices. That's what I did. So, to be better than yourself, you work a little bit harder every single day. All right, fam, I done said enough. I'm out here. Hope you guys out there cutting that grass, making a little cash, and most importantly, doing it for yourself. Ain't nothing like being an entrepreneur. Ain't nothing like working for yourself, because you know why? You your best worker. I know I am. I know I am. I am the employee of the day, the employee of the week, I'm the employee of the month, because I put in that work. Know it. So, I got a challenge for y'all. Tell me how much greater you are today than you was last year. Just put it in the comment section. Hey, I don't know what it is. You tell me. I'd like to know. Hey, all my new people, just get to the channel, please subscribe, because the brother ain't putting out these videos for nothing. I just want to let you know that I enjoy what I do. And hey, if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe. Don't eat off my channel for free. Subscribe. Hit that bell, just in case you want to be notified of a little bit of information on what we doing over here at Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. And as I say, fam, cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.